G'day and welcome to the second video on integration by recognition. If you haven't watched the first one, you probably need to go back and watch that one first before you move on to this one. I'm going to start with where I ended at the last video, which is the steps that I go through. And I've got the five steps. Rewrite the diff in this form. So the diff of something equals something else. And you actually do the differentiation over here. Then we integrate the entire equation, both left and right side. We rearrange to find exactly what we want. Then we integrate the stuff we know, and then we do some work at the end to just tidy it up and make it okay. All right, so those are the steps that I'm going to use. So you might want to write those steps down just as we're watching. Pause and write them down, and then as you're doing these other questions, you can kind of refer to that, because I think I've got them marked down the left-hand side or the right-hand side. So here's the second example here. If they're telling me that if f of x equals 2x log a natural log of x, find f dash x and hence integrate log x, because we actually don't know how to integrate log x. There's no rule for that. Well, I mean, there is a rule, but we don't learn it in year 12. But by doing this bit here, by finding the diff of this, we can actually integrate this one very nicely. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, my step one, if you go back to it, is to do the diff of 2x log x. Now I'm actually going to do that on the right hand side over here. So first times the diff of the second plus the second times the diff of the first, and I end up getting, those x's will cancel, so I'm going to end up getting 2 plus 2 log x. Okay, now the second step is to integrate the entire line, and so the integration of d dx will cancel itself out, and then I've got the integration of 2 plus 2 log x dx. Now I set those up separately like this, and I'm actually, the thing that I forgot to tell you is that when you do the diff of this one, usually you find the answer to what you want, or the same kind of thing to the one that you want. So now I separate them out, and I also drag the 2 out the front just because I don't need that one there anymore, because I actually want to make this look exactly like what I had, the thing that I want. So then I rearrange them to make this. I drag this to the left hand side, and all the rest of the stuff I put on the right hand side. So just be careful with your negatives if you're moving things left and right and all that sort of thing. But I end up getting this negative integration of 2 dx plus 2x log x, because that bit's just from over there. Okay, and then finally I do the integration of the thing that I know. Sorry, not finally. The fourth step is I do the integration of the thing that I know, which is this. I know how to do that. That's just negative 2x plus 2x log x. And now I just rearrange it to make it look exactly like I want. So now I just divide everything by 2, and I ended up getting this plus c. Okay, so the integration of log x, the natural log of x, is negative x plus x log x plus c. And I actually don't know what the rule is for this. I just used something that I did know, differentiated it, and then integrated it. So I sort of went backwards to go forwards a little bit. So that's why I like this one a lot. I think they're quite good. So what I'll do is I'll finish the video for this one, and then I'll do one more example that's a little bit trickier. So if you feel like you want to just get started on some of the questions, you can go and do that, and then watch the third video a little bit later. But yeah, I'll do one more example of this one. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.